Hello children, welcome to the maths class. So yesterday we have seen revision 1 in which we have seen lakhs, crores, predecessor, successor and international number system. So in this tutorial we'll see the another revision. Let's see. We are going to see the revision on rounding off and Roman numerals. So let's continue. Rounding off. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Let's consider this example 1143. Now I need to round off this number to the nearest 10. So what I am going to do? I'll be just taking this last two digits number. Now this last two digit number is less than 5. I mean if it is coming to 1, 2, 3 and 4, we'll take it to the previous tens. And if it is coming after 5, like 5 and after 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will come to the next tens. So let's see what it becomes. So 1, 1 will remain as it is. 43. It is less than 5. So 43 will become 40. So it is a round out of to 1140. Let's see one more example. 1256. Here also we are going to take only last two digit numbers. Now last two digits is 5, 6. As I told you, it is more than 5. So it will go to 60. It will become as 1260. Round off to the nearest 100. Let's consider this example. So here we are going to consider round off this middle two numbers, second and third number. First number will remain as it is. Second and third number will convert into the nearest 100 and that last number will be a 0. So this 75, as I told you, 5 and above 5 will go to the nearest. So I'll keep 7 as it is. 75 will become 80. So it is 7,800. Round off to the nearest 1000. 2364. So in this 1000, I'm going to round off these first two numbers. So first two numbers 23. As I told you, 23 is less than 5. So I'll round it off to the previous tens. So 23 ka will become 20. And last, there are two numbers. So in that two numbers, I'll take 0, 0. So it will become 2000. Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, they had 7 basic symbols. Now let's see what are the 7 basic symbols. In Roman numerals, symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So what are these symbols used for? In Hindu Arabic, I is used for 1, V is used for 5, X is used for 10, L is used for 50, C is used for 100, D is used for 500, and M is used for 1000. Let's move on with the rules. Now let's see what are the rules of Roman numerals. Putting a letter after one bigger value means you add it. Let's see an example. Now see, that means one number is given, we are putting a bigger value in front of it. So we are going to add it. Let's see. So 75. How we write L is 50 plus 10 is 60 plus 10 70 plus 5. So we write it as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Second rule, putting a letter before one bigger value means you subtract it. Here when you're putting after you're adding, here you're going to put before. Example 40, we write it as X, L. Now see this L is big, L is called as 50, X is 10. So here we are going to minus it. So here I'll minus 50 minus 10, which gives you 40. Next rule, a letter can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times only. You can just write X, X, X. That's it. Not more than 3 times you can take it. Example 80, we can write it as L, X, X, X. Next is V and L are never subtracted. That means 5 and 50, we cannot minus it from any of the number. I can be subtracted only from V and X only. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. X means 10. 10 can be subtracted from 50. L is 50 and C is 100. So you can subtract only from 50 and 100 only. V and L are never repeated. That means 5, V is 5 and L is 50. They both are never repeated. So children, I hope you have understood everything. So if you have understood everything, do the given assignments for practice. Thank you.